welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabby. Today I am going to be showing you how I style my hair with flirty curls. I also want to thank them so much for sending me their shampoo, conditioner, deep treatment, and curly cream, mousse, and gel, guys. I'm literally obsessed with it, guys. So if you're interested, I'm going to put their Instagram name right here so you guys can go purchase it, and let's get right into the video. Okay, we're getting started with our hydrating shampoo. We're gonna start rinsing in our hair. I like to rinse my hair first before putting the shampoo and making sure that I am scratching my scalp. I like to use a very large amount of shampoo, I'm not gonna lie, just to make sure I get really into my scalp and very clean it, because I love my scalp to be clean. But this smells so amazing. Now jumping into our hydrating conditioner. Guys, when I mean this conditioner has been my favorite, it's my favorite. When I mean my hair, it gets so soft just as applying it. It's great. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, it's so soft, just like I said in the video. Now we're gonna go in with our deep treatment. This smells amazing. We are going to leave it for 10 minutes, but it literally leaves my hair so soft. Like, the ingredients in her products are bomb.com. If you guys are considering, you guys need to go buy it. Like, I use it on my kids' hair, but look, I didn't even have to use a comb to get my hair to be untangled. It's literally done with my fingers. Like, tell me if that's not telling you enough that you need to go purchase it. I just finished washing my hair, as you guys seen in the previous clips. So Flirty Curls also sent me their curl defining cream. I got their styling glaze, so I'm assuming this is like a styling gel. This one has a pro vitamin B5, avocado oil, and grapefruit extract. This is for volume and soft hold, so I definitely love this because I like to have a volume in my hair. And they also sent me their styling mousse, and it's also with green tea extract, vitamin E, and argan oil. And this is for volume and soft hold. I honestly can't wait to hold this, guys. When I mean that my hair feels so soft after I dyed it, because my previous clip that you guys already seen, my hair was orange, and honestly I feel like my hair was very stiff and hard. I feel like because of the bleaching from the red to the orange or the ginger. So I actually was so excited to receive this box. So again, thank you so much, Flirty Curls, for sending me this package. Like, I'm already telling everybody, like, you guys need to go get it right now, because it smells and it leaves your hair super soft as you're just applying onto your hair. But less talking and let's get to styling. So I am going to part my hair. I like to do it in sections because I feel like that's the best way to saturate every single piece of my curl, and I think my curls look better that way. So let me just make sure this doesn't have a coat. It does. That's another thing too, her products are all sealed. My hands are still kind of wet, so it's very hard for me to remove it, but let's start from the ends. There we go. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm gonna rake it in through my fingers first, and then I'm gonna use my brush. Apply a little more. Wow, guys, this smells absolutely amazing. Like, so amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna do how I do my hair all the time. Grab my brush. Oh, I just smacked myself in the face. And you go like this. And I like to do is to wiggle my hair and scrunch. Okay. What I'm gonna do, because since I had heat for 2 weeks, I am going to curl my hair with my fingers. Most parts, not all, but I love to finger coil my hair. I especially do it in the front of my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the styling glaze to the bottom portion. Like I said, I just want to make sure that everything gets product. Oh, it's very slippery. It's not like thick like your usual. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I am on the top of my hair, just so this video won't be so long and boring. Jumping back to voiceover, guys, because it does take me a while to do my hair. But right now we're working on the top section, which I was telling you guys that I like to finger coil my hair. But before I do, I need to make sure like all the knots or any tangled up hair, it's completely loose. But I literally love this hair cream. This hair cream is so soft on my hair. It still gives me volume on my hair, because I know there's certain products that literally make your hair shrinkage go really big, and I still like my hair to look long and then still look kind of like with volume. So you're gonna see here that I'm gonna do finger coils on my hair, because there's certain hairs ever since I had my hair orange that my hair was fried. So main reason as well as why I got a curly cut, but just keep watching. Here we're still finger coiling our hair. What I like to do is make sure that there's any curls that I know that needs help to enhance them. I like to make sure I just finger coil them. You guys would understand if you guys are any here that have curly hair and you guys like your hair to look very nice and bouncy. Now we're gonna go in with the clear glaze, guys, and apply this. If your hair don't sound crunchy or like watery when you're applying this, it means your hair is not wet enough and you guys need to apply some water. So always consider doing so, just so your hair can come out very nice and juicy and voluptuous. Disregard my weird faces, guys. I don't know why. Every time I'm doing my hair, I'm doing like any makeup or stuff, I have like the weirdest face expressions. But anyways, we are applying more hair cream to the top portion of my hair, just because we don't want our hair to dry up, because if not, we're gonna have to add more water. But we are untangling again, and then we're gonna reapply more product and the soft glaze. we're finishing up with finger coiling our hair, guys. Now we're gonna go in with the Glaze gel, which is so nice and it's very watery texture, but I honestly love it. And now we're gonna go in with the mousse. I love mousse. As growing up as a kid, I used to use mousse, only mousse, which is so crazy. And I used to never use hair cream. It just used to be mousse, and that's why my hair used to be so frizzy. But I like to flip my hair upside down and apply the mousse and scrunch it. Once I finish scrunching my hair, I like to leave my hair to air dry. I used to just jump straight into diffusing my hair, but since I cut my hair, I just want to avoid heat much as possible. I know I iron my hair here and there, but the less heat the better, and the more my hair will grow and none of my hair will start breaking off. So we're gonna let it dry off, and I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit so you guys can see the results. Guys, well, this is how my hair turned out with the flirty curls. I obsess. It's been my go-to products every single day, guys, because it makes my curls very juicy and voluptuous. I don't like to diffuse my hair because I just got my curly cut and I think my hair needs like a break from the heat. So let me know what you guys think how my hair looks in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if you guys like this type of videos of me showing you guys how I process my hair and how I do it step by step. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.